Dobro večer, prijatelji. Today we will make one of my favorite dishes. It's called Gravče na Tavče, and this is how you do it.
Alright, first off we start with the beans. I soaked mine in water the night before, but feel free to use canned beans. Next up, we're gonna chop some vegetables, starting with the carrot and dice it into nice cubes. The origin of Gravče na Tavče is Macedonia, which is well known for its bean and paprika dishes. Maybe you know Ivar, it's also originated from Macedonia. And please write down in the comments if you like watching me chopping things. Same goes with 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Instead of fresh tomatoes, you can also use canned tomatoes, whatever you have. You wanna hear a funny thing? In my hometown there's a saying, a dull knife is a sign of an unhappy wife. So guys, keep your knives sharp. Tell me, what is your favorite dish, so I can cover it in a future video. And 2 small onions, just peel them and dice them up. So if you're a person who cries when cutting onions, keep in mind a sharp, thin knife will always solve the problem. Here's a nice trick for peeling garlic. Just give it a good old smack and the peel will fall off. And yes, garlic is a big part of Balkan cuisine, so don't leave it out. I mean, look at this, the peel just falls off. Once peeled, we will finally mince the garlic. And feel free to add some other stuff. You can add paprika, you can add sausage, whatever you like. And for the last step, we drizzle some olive oil into a heat-proof dish. Add our beans, the vegetables, some bean juice I preserved, and we're gonna add some spices. I will use salt, pepper, and some tomato puree. But keep in mind, it's your dish, so you can add any spices you like. What I didn't do, but I will always recommend you, use different kind of beans. You like big white beans, add those. You like kidney beans, add those as well. The presentation will only be better. Don't worry if you missed something, there's a full recipe in the description. And let me speed up the mixing. The thing I love about Gravče na Tavče, it's so easy to make. You just chop up everything, combine, and that's it. When everything is well mixed, we just pat it down to have a nice flat surface. And everything left to do is put it in the oven for 1.5 hours at 180 degrees Celsius. You see the little black parts on the surface, that's what you want. So it's done with baking, it's ready to serve. You can garnish it with some sour cream or sriracha, but I like mine as it is.
Okay friends, we made it. So if you like this recipe, please try it out and write me down in the comments on the taste of your Gravče na Tavče. I'm gonna enjoy the meal and see you next time.